My daughter and I are conducting sandwich experiments because we like sandwiches, and we were just seeing the differences in the way it tastes between making a sandwich and cutting it in half into two triangles, or cutting it in half into two rectangles. This was the rectangles. We think that the triangles is better. And it also depends on the type of sandwich, if it's peanut butter and jelly or if it's ham and cheese. And it always tastes so much better when somebody else makes your sandwich for some reason. If you make it yourself, I don't know, it's just not as good. But when somebody else makes it, it's good. And it's better cut in triangles. Peanut butter and jelly wise, anyways. All the weird questions of sandwiches. Why does it taste better when someone else makes your sandwich? Why does it taste better when it's cut into triangle halves instead of rectangle halves? Why is it better to cut it in half in general over a whole sandwich? And why does it matter the type of sandwich it is? Per the quality of the taste. I don't know. I'm trying to find out. Love you, see you, bye.